Welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And today's episode, we are making bacon-wrapped tater tots with cheese in the middle. Yes, stay tuned. Okay, so I've cut my bacon strips into thirds, and you're gonna take your tater tot, lay your bacon flat, put your cheese. I am using a Colby cheese from Wisconsin that also has bacon in it. Once you've got that rolled up, you're gonna roll it in your brown sugar. And then you're going to want to secure it with a toothpick and soak your toothpicks in water so they don't burn. Place it on your sheet and keep going till you have all of your tater tots wrapped and rolled in the brown sugar. And that's all you have to do, folks. Alrighty, once you have them all wrapped and rolled, and don't wrap them too tightly, you're gonna put them in a 425-degree oven. Okay, after about 10 minutes, go ahead and take them out so you can flip them over. Flip them over and then put them back in. Okay, time is up. Oh, wow. They are smelling and looking really good. So you're gonna wanna let these babies cool down a bit. Yum, can't wait. And now for the taste test. Wow. So, first of all, who doesn't like tater tots, right? The bacon wrapped around it with the brown sugar just sort of forms like this glaze over it and makes it sweet. Of course, the tater tot is just delicious, but the cheese, I used a Wisconsin Colby that actually had bacon bits in the cheese. Go figure. So super delicious. You could use whatever cheese you wanted. So like, I think a sharp cheddar would be fabulous. But anyway, you got to try these. Super simple to make. Doesn't take any time whatsoever. Really delicious. Great appetizer. Great for snacks. Okay, guys, so you know what to do. Be sure to like, mash that subscribe button, and comment below and share. Let me know what recipes you would like to see on Destination Bacon, and perhaps you'll see them on this channel. See you next week.